suit niya pala ay made of very sturdy plastic naman yung material, and ang color palette niya ay green, metallic green, very nice color combination. And then you have parang ano siya, hindi siya parang siyang bronze gold, hindi siya yung super yellow gold. Okay, yun yung combination niya. You have the rivets. Ito meron ding mga circular sections dito sa gilid, on both sides, and then you have the large segments here. Since underwater armor nga siya, or for deep sea exploration, meron ding mga additional work lights dito sa kanyang kamay. Very nice, very cool touch. And siguro kung merong kailangang explore si Iron Man via underwater, ito yung armor na gagamitin niya. Okay, you have also the bulky chest, the shoulders. Ito, mas malaki din yung kanyang gauntlets, yung kamay. Tapos, yung hands niya pala, nandun sa loob. Galing ng part na to. Lumalabas yung fingers niya from the inside. Okay? And then you have the inner part ng armor, yung silver. Tapos dito sa legs, you have also the golden segment here or section. Ganda rin ng knee pads niya. Parang siyang rounded part ng rectangle. And then you also have the side armor here, circular. Tapos you also have the backbone design, some thrusters. Sa likod, you have some rivets. Pati dito may mga rivets din. May mga konting misplaced paint lang, pero okay lang yan eh. Medyo off lang dito. Yan, dito sa part na to. Okay? Pero overall, this is a very nice nautical design from Tony Stark, from ZD Toys. Ang ganda ng pagka-translate nila from the MCU designs to an actual action figure. So let's talk about the articulation. Head can look up, down, 360. Pwede ba? Pwede pa rin, 360. Tapos, shoulder armor can move out for rotation. Pwede pa ba ito ma-extend? Hindi na. Usually, pwede pa ata to. So, yan, pupush pa. Yun, okay. Pwede pa for extra movement. Okay? Pwede pa to. Pwede pa mahigit yan. Yung madali lang naman mag-pop out yan, yung mga ZD Toys na mga joints. Okay? Kung mag-exert kayo ng force, tapos gusto nyo mag-mix and match ng mga armors, pwede. Kailangan nyo, kung ayaw matanggal, lagyan nyo lang ng blower para medyo mag-loosen up yung mga joints. Okay, tapos meron ding rotation dito sa arm. Double jointed ba to? Hindi ata. Double jointed pero ang unti lang ng movement. Parang ganito lang. Hindi siya abot ng 90 degrees. Wala ring movement dito sa part na to. This is one solid part. Okay, tapos you can pull the leg down konting-konti. Tapos pwede